how to play online in FC26. In this video, I'm going to show you all the different game modes in FC26 that allow you to play people online, including your friends or randoms. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first and easiest way to play online is to simply go to Seasons in the left menu. Once Seasons open up, simply select Play Match. It'll also show you how many people are online and currently playing. Then all you need to do once in Play Match is select Search. It'll find you an opponent and start the game for you automatically. Keep in mind, you can also change your team and kit, everything here by selecting Change Team and Kit. If you want to play online with your friends, go all the way to the bottom and select Online Friendlies. This is where you can easily start a match with any friends you have on EA. Now, if rather than playing against your friends, you want to be able to team up with your friends, try co-op seasons. This is where you can actually join forces and create a club, go through all the process with that, and play together against opponents. The next two options allow you to build your own team or club. So go up and you first want to do Ultimate Team. This allows you to build your team from the ground up, and then you can play against randoms with a game mode such as Rush, which is 5v5, or you can even play against your friends using the same game modes and the team that you created. If you want to be able to create your own club from the ground up, including create a player entirely, you could do that in clubs, and then you'll be able to use that club to play online against randoms and your friends. So those are the different game modes that allow you to play online in FC26. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.